So I'm going to search for Google Authenticator app, right? We are going to use this app to verify our Gray app, and you can use it for also your PayPal, right? It's just for you to be able to receive your code. Now look at the name here, look at the logo. I already have it. So I want to set up two-factor authentication for my Gray app, right? So I'm going to click on more here. I'll click on two-factor authenticator. Now I have already downloaded my Microsoft Authenticator. Okay, so select your preferred method. Security app, you can see that it is even recommended. So I'll click on this security app. Configure your app with this key. So if you cannot scan, I'll copy this key. Can you see it has copied at the top? All right, so I'll come here and write the account name. This key is for my Gray app, right? Come on. So I paste the key here, add. So look at it. I'll come here and paste it. Continue. Success. So I have set up two-factor authenticator for my Gray app. So when I want to log into Gray, maybe I forgot password or any other thing, right? I will just come over to my Authenticator app and voila. Okay, it lasts for some time. So this one is for Gray now. So I'm going to go and do the same thing for my PayPal.